Hello beautiful people, today's video is for people that want to move abroad but think that they cannot afford it. They don't have a big bank account, they are not rich kids, but they do want to move abroad to further their studies. What if I told you you can do it for free? What if I told you you can do it very affordable, that everyone can afford it? That is why we are here today, so please do watch to the end. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Jackie, and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, so next time I share a new video, you'll be notified and you get to watch it. If you'd like to have a one-on-one consultation with me where we're going to talk privately over a call for your own personal needs to move abroad, then do send me an email or you use the links down below. If it's your first time here, please do comment. It is my first time in the comment section, and I have something very special for you. If you want to make $1,000 every month from the comfort of your home without doing anything, then I have the perfect opportunity for you. Here you're going to have a monthly income without doing anything. Have you ever heard of passive income? That money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. That is what I am talking about. So let me tell you exactly how you can make $1,000 every month without doing anything. You can start a publishing business on Amazon KDP. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world with over 2 billion active users every month. So they have the customer base that are waiting for you to publish your books so they can purchase them from all around the world. You don't need to be a writer to do this. You're not writing any books because you're publishing public domain books. These are books that are best-selling books globally and are highly in demand at the moment. All you need to do is buy these manuscripts that have already been formatted, edited, and ready to publish. So you buy your manuscripts from www.stackly.com, you publish it on Amazon KDP, and Amazon pays you every month forever. I started my publishing business over 6 years ago the same way, and I still get paid today for doing nothing. When you buy a pack of manuscripts, Stackly is going to give you a free training that is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start and how to be successful in the business. It's going to show you how to create your KDP account, how to publish your books, and how to get paid to your local bank account anywhere in the world. You also get the privilege of joining an exclusive publishers group that has publishers from all around the world. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly, do send me an email so I can add you to the group. Stackly currently has 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150 manuscripts, and 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I highly recommend the pack of 300 because obviously that is where you get to make the most money, and that is exactly what I did. I got my 300 pack of manuscripts from Stackly over 6 years ago, and I am getting paid every month for doing nothing. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, publish your books on Amazon, sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below, or send me an email and I'll share the information with you. We are just going to get straight into it, okay? So moving abroad for studies is very expensive, yeah, and that is why so many people want to move abroad for studies, but they just don't take any step. They just feel like, no, I can't do this, it's too expensive. Every time I have one-on-one consultation with people, they say they want to move abroad, they want to go for studies, but they're like, it's so expensive, I can't do that, I need a job, you know. And I have to tell them, look, you can move abroad for studies. There are countries where you can go for study tuition free. There are countries where it's so affordable you can afford it. And you know, because of this new information, so many people that had one-on-one consultation with me are now abroad studying. So let me share this information with you. I want to talk about France. France is one country where the government subsidizes education for everyone, even international students. So you can study in France, paying tuition fees in the hundreds, all right, 100 and something euros, 200 and something euros, 300 and something euros, even up to your PhD level, all right? So I'm going to show you how to get it done. And admission is currently open in France, so you should apply. It opened a few months ago, and it's going to be closing in about a month or two, right? So please try to apply immediately. So France is one country where you can go with your dependents, all right? So if you have a partner, you want to go study abroad, you have a partner, you would like your partner to join you, you can do that in France. If you have kids, they can join you as well. Super affordable, apart from the tuition fees, yeah? Cost of living is also very affordable in France, super affordable. As a student, a single person, you can study, live in France, your tuition fees, your rent, everything you have to do in France will be below 1,000 euros. All right, and even as it's below 1,000 euros, you would see yourself not even paying everything, because the government still subsidizes other things for you apart from your tuition fees, right? So if you're studying at a public university for a master's degree, it's they have what they call the national tuition fees. I'm going to show you in a bit, where if it's a bachelor's program is about 100 and something euros, master's program is about 243 euros, and for PhD 300 and something euros. Yeah, so apart from the fact that you're paying so low in tuition, which the government is subsidizing for you, yeah, they are still going to subsidize other things for you, like your accommodation, right? So if you have an accommodation that is, say, 400 euros, you may end up paying like 180 euros because the government pays the rest for you. Same thing with transportation, healthcare, other things like that. So there is so much international students get to enjoy when they get to France. So once you arrive France as a student, there are several benefits you can apply for, and you could get and then have a very subsidized living in France. So France is one of those countries that if you don't have so much money, you can still afford to further your studies in France. All right, so even if the government is not subsidizing your cost of living, it's still way lower than other countries. All right, so let's talk about the application. How do you apply for studies in France? There's a website where you can go to apply. It's called Campus France. All right, and Campus France has agents or agencies in several countries. All right, so you will be applying to the Campus France of your country. So if you're in Kenya, just Google Campus France Kenya. You're in Ghana, Campus France Ghana, and you're going to see it. I'm going to show you in a bit anyway. And Campus France is not available in all countries. So if there is no Campus France in your country, you apply directly to the university. So you just find the university website and then go apply directly to them. But if Campus France is in your country, you're going to be applying through Campus France, and even all through the entire process, applying for your visa is going to be through Campus France as well, and even getting student accommodation, Campus France will also assist you with that. So these agencies, I don't know if that's the right word, right? But Campus France in your country is going to help you with the entire process from your application to landing in France. All right, so let me show you, right? This is campusfrance.org. All right, so you can just go to campusfrance.org. This is the main website. So to find the Campus France for your country, just come to the top right corner where you see country sites. Click on that, and you're going to see a list of all the countries where you can just go directly to your country's Campus France website. All right, so Africa, Asia and Oceania, Europe, North Africa and the Middle East, North America and South America. So just look at this, where your country falls, you just click on it. All right, so this is Campus France Philippines, you just click on it. All right, Campus France Kenya, you just click on it. So if yours is not mentioned, like I said, if your country is not here, you just apply directly to the university. So let's see Campus France Nigeria. All right, so this is Campus France Nigeria now for those that are going to be applying from Nigeria. All right, so let's see how to navigate the website. All right, just come down here. What program are you looking for? Okay, we can go through here. I am looking for, you can choose taught in English, undergraduate level, postgraduate level, PhD level. So you can do bachelor's, master's and PhD, and English taught. All right, so if you don't speak French, you can go for the English taught programs. So many of our viewers speak French. We have viewers from Francophone countries, from Cameroon and the rest, all right? Yeah, please let me mention this. I have a mentorship program for those that want to study abroad. I just remembered because when we had the last mentorship program, there was a French speaker in our mentorship program who is even in France as I speak. She's now in France. So if you want to join my mentorship program, you want to study abroad, you can join, all right? I have one for those that want to work abroad, then there's one for those that want to study abroad, and we are going to be starting in a few days. A new program is starting in a few days, but the WhatsApp group is open already. People have already started registering. So when you register for the mentorship program, you join the WhatsApp group. Our live classes are going to start in a few days, so try to join now, because once we start, registration will be closed. So if you want to join the mentorship program, use the link in the description below, or you can send me an email and I'll share the link with you to register. Why join my mentorship program? It's because because I'm going to be showing you how to move abroad for studies, for free studies. For those that don't have a lot of money, my mentorship program is going to help you because you see free courses you can take abroad and very affordable courses as well. There are countries where you can study tuition free. And I also have over almost 10,000 scholarships that I share with the people in my mentorship program. So joining my mentorship program, you're going to get access to the whole list of almost 10,000 scholarships that you can apply for. All right. So there is something for everyone in my mentorship program. It's for everyone. Once you finish your secondary school education, you can move abroad for studies. So if you're done with secondary school education, you can join my mentorship program. There is no age limit. You can go to school abroad at any age. You can move with your family. All right. So whatever your situation may be, join my mentorship program. It's a very personalized program, all right, to help you as an individual to move abroad for studies. All right, so let's get back into it. So what do we click here? Let's click Taught in English. So it's going to open the list of programs here. There are 1,704 programs at the moment. So I'll still go ahead and click Taught in English again, and I will click national fees. All right, so there are private universities in France that are super expensive. I know someone studying in France and his tuition fees is about 25,000 euros. He has a fully funded scholarship, so he's not even paying that at the end of the day, right? But that is just to let you know that there are actually private universities that are really costly. So if you're looking for the low cost ones, please look for the public universities. All right, so when you come here, you're going to do a lot of digging, right, to find what you're looking for. So if you have level of degree sort, so if you're going for bachelor's, you're going to be going for L1, L2, L3. So you're going to start with L1. So the L's are bachelor's programs. All right, so you're going to start with L1. Then the M's are master's program. They have M1 and M2. So you're going to go for M1, all right, since you're starting afresh. Master's is 2 years. So M1 is just the first year of your master's and M2 is the second year. And then if you want to go for an MBA, you know, stuff like that. So you would take your time to go through these courses and find the one you want, and also find the one that is low cost, because there are different tuition fees for different courses. So if you're looking for like super cheap, like you want the national tuition fees of 243 euros, for example, for a master's program, you have to go through the courses to find the ones that you can pay 243 euros. All right. And then when you're applying for courses on Campus France, you can apply to, I think, 5 or 6 courses at the same time. So try to look for many to put, you know, I wanted to say put in your cart, but it's like putting in your cart, right? So you put all the programs in there and then you apply at once. Okay. Also try to mix it up. Don't just go for only the ones that are 243 euros, because I mean, everyone is going for those ones and it will be so competitive. So instead of lining up your cart, permit me to use that word, right, with only 243 euro courses, you can mix it up. Go for some that are like, there are some that I saw like 900 euros. All in all, they are all very affordable, all right, in public universities. There are some courses where they would say, okay, EU students pay the 243, and then non-EU students, they can tell you, okay, pay 900. So you just go through. It takes a lot of time to actually find the course you're going for. So I'm just saying that so you know that if the first one you click is not 243, don't be discouraged. Just go through it so you find the one that fits into your budget, all right? So you just go through it. There are so many. But let's just look at, okay, I just clicked on one randomly. I don't even know what I clicked on. LP, Outdoor Soft Goods Design and Development. Yeah, University Savoie Mont Blanc. Yeah, so when you click on any of them, all the details will come up, the type of degree. And you can see here, minimum level of English is B2. So they need English for this. And then the national tuition fees is a 170 euros. You can see it here. The fees for this one is 170 euros. So you can click here to go and see the website of the school so that you can see more information about the entry requirements and things like that. Let us go back. Let us click another one randomly. So this is Master Economics. So this is a master's degree in economics, University of Paris, Saclay. Yeah, or Saclay. So let's see. Taught in English. What else is here? National tuition fees. They didn't write it. They want us to go to the website of the school. Okay, let's do that. Let me copy the website. Yeah, so this is it. This is the master in economics. All right. So all the details are here. Apply now. You click there to apply your objectives, everything. So let's look at fees and scholarships. Yes, so there are scholarships as well. So every course you want to apply for, look at the scholarships that they have available. Okay, every page for every course, there's always scholarships. Try to explore that as well. It could help you with your living expenses and even the tuition fees that is so low. You can still get a scholarship for it. All right, so don't ignore scholarships. All right, so more information on tuition fees. Let us look at that. Open. Okay, so where is it? Yeah, so here we have it. Bachelor level tuition fees is 178 euros. Can you see that? Master level 254 euros. Doctoral level 397 euros. So you can imagine that if you're studying for a bachelor's degree, your tuition fees is 178. If you're studying for a master's, it's 254, PhD 397. And this is a year's fees. I mean, when you're studying in France, you can work while you study. You can make that money. You can save that money from your part-time job while you're studying. So I believe everyone can study in France, yeah? The most money you need will be actually to arrive to France. You know, your visa application, residence permit application fees, your flight tickets. Those are the major things. And then your, let's say, 2 months or 3 months accommodation, right? Before you can get a job and all of that. But if you just have money to land France, which you can do with not a lot, maybe I'll do another video or I'll just post it somewhere on one of my social media pages, a cost breakdown. I've actually done so actually on my Facebook, a cost breakdown of, you know, moving to France. I have that post on my Facebook. So if you check it out, you're going to see a breakdown on how you can move to France on a budget. Okay, it's there. I've done for France, Italy, Sweden, Finland. I've done for so many countries. So try and follow me on Facebook. So much information is there. All right, so that's it, right? So let's see who's going to be applying for this. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can join my mentorship program to study abroad free or affordable for those that can't, you know, afford so much. My mentorship program is not free, right? Because so much goes into it. Just check out the link. You're going to see all you're going to be benefiting from joining my mentorship program. The link is in the description box below, or send me an email and I'll share the link with you. All right. After registering, join us in the WhatsApp group. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more from me. Bye for now. I have an ebook for those that want to go work in New Zealand. I put together all the key information you need about moving to New Zealand. Information about the labor market, information about all the visas that you can leverage, information about how to go as a permanent resident, how to get your permanent residency, how to land a visa sponsorship job. I have a list of all the shortage occupations in New Zealand so you can know how to best position yourself to land a visa sponsorship job. I also have a list of employers in New Zealand, so direct contacts to the employers in New Zealand that can sponsor your visa is all in the ebook. This ebook is loaded and I took my time to put together all this information so that everyone that buys this ebook will have clarity and confidence to land that visa sponsorship job in New Zealand within the shortest possible time. Buying this ebook is like me holding your hand and guiding you on the step-by-step process to move to New Zealand for work. I am super excited for everyone that is going to be getting this ebook. So use the link in the description below to get your copy, or send me an email and I'll share the link with you to get your own copy. If you want to move to New Zealand, trust me, this is one ebook you need to get. This ebook is for everybody in all occupations, so grab your copy today.